Come back with you again with another video about the good guides. This image tell you a story. Dishwasher feels more like a leaky washer. Like I tell you again, this company will cover your home, the dishwasher, electrical problem, and so forth and so on. On this day, 01/19/2024, pre-recorded video brought to you by the good guides. And you can save a whole lot when you get your plan. Look at this lady. She's sick. She's stressed out. Soap just coming out the dishwasher. That's a good story image that you see here. This is a good story image. That things break in your house. Why wait for things to break in your house if you ain't getting covered? That's a true story. If you don't get covered, why you don't want to get covered? Why wait till things break in your house or break in your car? You can have a flat on your car. You can have a motor problem in your car. Why not get insurance in place? Make sure you can get home safe. If you ain't got no backup plan, somebody come pick you up. At least you got AAA or the tow company from your insurance company come pick you up and take your car to the mechanic shop and to your home wherever you want to go. So it's called coverage. You have to get covered. You got to get ahead of the game. You have to get covered. Covered in the head of the game, you have to get covered. Again, this image tell a story about the good guides auto and home protection plan. This is my free promotion. Making another video about the good guides. Free promotion. Tell you a story about what's gonna happen if you don't get covered today. Everything got insurance. Your home got house insurance and house taxes. You have to pay taxes on your home. Everything you get covered. You have to cover everything. It's called stay safe. It's called get ready because things get broken into your house and your car. Again, non-business owner out there, this is free to sign up to be an affiliate. It's free to sign up until you upgrade to the $15 membership. To upgrade to the $15 membership, you have to be an affiliate to open your back office and see that you can upgrade to the $15 membership. True story. Yeah, true story. You have to. There's no running from it to get covered. Don't listen to me. You can Google this. You can Google this and start spending money. Your pipe bursts in your wall. Underground pipe bursts in your wall. Your sink can go out. Your sink can get clogged up. If you ain't got no help, any maintenance man in your house, why don't you get covered and have somebody come fix your problem? We all need maintenance person in our house. If you don't know what you're doing, that's why the insurance come in. Somebody that know what the hell they're doing, they can replace your washer and dryer because you join a company called the Good Guides. Everything is taken care of. No out-of-pocket expenses. Everything is paid for because you're a member with the Good Guides. Yes, you are a member with the Good Guides. It's a no-brainer. Get covered today. All you do is call a VIP number or join my affiliate link, and you can call your number. As soon as you join my affiliate link, you get your own special number. You can call the customer service with your special VIP number, and a live agent will answer all your questions. How much you can save on your home and auto plan. They will answer all your questions. True story. I can't make this up. Google my good guides. Google it. I'm making all type of videos. I'm letting people know in the world there's another worldwide business called the Good Guides. Yes, the Good Guides. So every house got a dishwasher. Some don't, but some do got a dishwasher. So what kind of problem is this? You got soap coming out your dishwasher. So what you gonna do? You can't fix it because you ain't got the right tool to fix it. You got to cut the power off, shut everything down, make sure it don't run out of water or cut the water off until the maintenance person come fix it. Yes, get covered today by the Good Guys. It's free to join the affiliate side. If you want to be a business owner with the Good Guys, it's free to be an affiliate. Or if you want to get a plan for your home and auto plan needs. Either or, you got two choices. Do both or do one side. If you don't want to do the business side, if you don't think you can do the business side, you can just order a plan. Get covered today. Get your dishwasher fixed. Get your sink fixed. Get your toilet fixed. Get your tub fixed. Get your electrical fixed. In them orders. Get your pipe fixed. Now, it's cold outside. My hometown, it's cold. People's pipe is bursting. This is when they need somebody like the Good Guys to have the technician out there and find the problem, splice the problem, and patch the problem. And then normal again until they replace the whole pipe when the ice thaw out. In them orders. So what are we doing? Now, business owner out there. What are you doing? Who are you waiting on? Who are you waiting for? You're not waiting on me. I'm good. I'm just spreading the word how a global business, Accelerated International, and the Good Guys can put some extra money in your pocket if you want to do the business side. You don't have to ask me. Ask Google. Google the Good Guys. Google Accelerated International. Google Live Good. Google CBSU. It'll tell you the same thing. Join. Make some money. Join. Put some postcard in the mailbox. Join. Get covered today. Join. Make some money today. They got 1 billion people in the world. Ain't nobody gonna tell you no. You gotta keep putting yourself out there until somebody say yes. True story. Until somebody say yes, you are good to go. Your work is getting paid off. Your work is paying off. People are listening to your message. You are building a relationship with the whole world. They know who you are now. They know what you do from home now. They don't want nothing from you. This is what I do from home. I'm a business owner, small business owner, spreading the words. How you can make extra income working from home. Postcard. The supplement company, Live Good, Accelerated International, my traffic power line, 25K Madness. That is what my business is, and so forth and so on. All you need is leads, traffic. Go onto your website, traffic. Talk about it, traffic. Let people know about it. Let people sign up or look at it or whatever. That's all you need to do. True story. It's no brainer. Working from home is very easy to do. A lot of people losing their job today. They're really losing their job today. So what are we doing? Who are we waiting on? True story. Who are we waiting for? Sign up for a business and you good to go. Sign up for a business and you good to go. So, I mean, that's all I got to say about these businesses. You don't have to take my word for it at all. You can Google it. You can ask your family members. You can ask business owners. What does it take to be a business owner? It takes capital. It takes a willing mindset, wanting to open their own business and move forward and get your leads and find customers. And those three components. That's how a business owner run their business. You need customers to buy from. So, all right, I'll come back with you again with another video. Thanks.